It's the dawn of a new day in Irving, Texas. For the students at UTI and the Peterbilt Technician Institute, their life-changing journey continues to move forward. Work strong and dream big. Perhaps that best sums up the attitude on campus. This class is on their way to graduation and to a well-paid, in-demand career as diesel technicians.
It's like in the trucking industry, you see a huge shortage for drivers. It's as bad or worse for technicians right now. We just can't fill the slots. The industry is growing and we're losing a lot of our older techs. They're retiring.
We really have no problem placing these students. One, because they come out fully trained with us, but also they come out with all the certifications that they need.
The trucks they're learning to master and maintain are simply the best in the biz. Peterbilt.
To see a Peterbilt roll down the street next to you, it was like, oh, that's the American dream, you know? So that's why I always wanted to work on a Peterbilt.
The mantra at PTI puts the emphasis on hands-on learning, with plenty of opportunity for repetition, and students gain valuable experience along the way.
We can push it together.
Technology is changing everything about most jobs. Today's trucks have been transformed into laptops with 18 wheels. Almost everything on a modern truck is powered by high-tech integrated computer systems. The PTI students are switched on, programmed to succeed.
It's an amazing course. A lot of learning. It's a lot of hands-on, electronics.
Very, very advanced. But Packard does individual like diagnostic tools and anything that's specific to the brand that helps us with what we have to do as far as tearing down, building up.
High tech and high demand. That describes the employment scene for PTI grads. There will be more than 1 million job openings in the next decade for skilled diesel techs.
Pretty much every Peterbilt dealership in the U.S. needs technicians, so they can really go anywhere they want.
The dealerships are always coming to us and asking, hey, you know, when's your next graduating class? Do you have any guys for us? If there's a particular location that's kind of, you know, needing some technicians, we'll get the first call. And then we try to, if we have anybody interested in that area, we'll send them on their way.
A unique partnership with Peterbilt helps students with financing and job placement. The instructors have years of industry experience to share with the next generation of techs that will keep America's trucks rolling.
So these guys are getting ready to set up the EGR cooler cleaning kit for the MX-13 over here. And that group over there is doing the valve adjustment on the MX-11. And as soon as they finish the valve adjustment on there, they're going to end up putting it back together the rest of the way so they can come over and complete their MX-13.
And for the class of 2020 at PTI, graduation and a new life await. Robert is heading home to Alaska with a great job already waiting.
I looked into this, and diesel mechanics make a lot of money back home, and they're in high demand because we have to truck everything. And I'm happy I did, because I get to go back home now when I'm done, and I have a job that pays really well, and you know, I'm back in my home state where it's cold and I like it.
There are 10 UTI campuses nationwide offering diesel tech training. All feature state-of-the-art labs, equipment, and the opportunity of working on a Peterbilt.
You know, they're just beautiful trucks.
It feels great to know that you work for Peterbilt and now that's the leading brand and the quality. And when they think of a truck, they think of a Peterbilt.